Dear participant, Assalamu alaikum. In this recording, you are likely to see that how you can differentiate between long and short vowel sounds. So we have these discussion points. We are going to discuss the sounds in terms of Jolly Phonics program. There is going to be a difference between vowels and consonant sound, and we are going to understand the difference through different activities like hand signs, fingertips, and the action approach as well. At the end of this recording, you're going to see the vowel song. So if you look at the 7 groups of polyphonic sounds, you can imagine, you can see that we have got a short vowel sound in first 3 groups, and then in the fourth group we have got 4 sounds of long vowels, and then in the seventh group we have got the fifth one, U sound. So this is how long and short vowel sounds are being covered in Jolly Phonics program. Now, if you want to know more about the difference between vowels and consonant sounds, you can see that there are 2 major differences. First one is pronunciation. When you are looking at the vowel sound, you can see that the air passage is open and the sound is pronounced with airflow, and there is no obstruction in the airflow, there is no blockage, and it's a continuous sound. That's same in all languages. For example, if you look at the example of Urdu, even in Urdu we have got the sounds of all sounds like a, o, e, a. ये Urdu के all sounds हैं. So if you look at this one here, this is the consonant sound, and when we are saying a consonant sound, the airflow is not free and there's obstruction. For example, if you are saying k, air is blocked and then released, and p, again the air is blocked and released. And then we have again the article phenomena for differentiating between vowel sound and consonant sound. You use a and an with the vowels and consonants. But again, it's not only the spelling, it has to deal with the sound as well. Okay, so we can understand long and short vowel sound through Jolly Phonics and IPA. In the Jolly Phonics, we have got this vowel hand. We can use several activities. We can use gloves, we can use handprints for this activity, and we can teach them that these sounds are different. Long vowel sound different है और short vowel sound different है. हम इनको mix नहीं कर सकते. Sometimes ऐसा होता है कि short vowel sounds को भी A, E, I, O, U कहकर पढ़ा दिया जाता है, जिसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है और बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लॉकेज होती है 3 letter words में. IPA. Now, अगर हम IPA को देखें तो IPA के अंदर जो है we have got 2 boxes over here, and if we just focus on this area, we can see that in this area we have got some vowel sound with the dots. The sounds with the dots are long like E, and without dot like E, A, A, Oo, Oo. So IPA is a bit different than this concept. So in this time, we are going to focus on the Jolly Phonics only, because in the IPA we have got 20 vowel sound, and it's another area of language learning and teaching. So we are going to ignore this one at the moment. Okay, so let's have a look at this small video. Special thanks to Sabine and Sayyida Fatima for this video. You can see that you can teach Jolly Phonics hand signs for identifying short vowel sounds in the words. Look at the pictures over here. You can use this activity with any empty box and container, any toy. A at the side of the box, A at the edge of the box, E in the box, O on the box, A under the box. Now, you can use both of your hands for this physical activity. Left hand fist, right hand on the side. आप एक बॉक्स के साथ उसको रिजेंबल करेंगे, अपने लेफ्ट हैंड को फिस्ट बना लेंगे और राइट हैंड से उसको टच करेंगे साथ में. ए को डिनोट करने के लिए ए एज के ऊपर, ई इनसाइड, ओ ऑन, आ अंडर. Okay, now let's have a look at this video.
A, I, I. O, O, A, A.
Okay, so how can we use these signs for teaching reading and writing? For example, you can ask your student to say the sound and do the action. For example, we have this word snap, snap. Which was sign you can do? You can use your hands. Clap, 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 clip, her, op. So the student can do the action with the hand. इस तरह की फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होता और स्टूडेंट जो है उनके लिए फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज में बहुत ज़्यादा इंट्रैक्शन होती है एंड दे लर्न अ लॉट सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द हैंड साइन ओवर हियर
I, O, A.
Thank you so much Fatima for this video. Now let's have another idea that you can use fingertips for differentiating between long vowels and short vowel sounds. You can use gloves as well. You can also use handprints and hand signs. Okay, so let's have a look at this video.
I, O, A. A, E, I, O, U. Above are short vowels and here are long vowels. A, I, O, A. A, E, I, O, U.
Thank you so much, Fatima, for this video. Now you can see, you can ask the child to touch the finger in the case of long and short vowel sounds. For example, h, at, t, I, m, ed, g, ot, d, og. In this sound, we have got magic E sound over here. The spellings are different, but the sound is long A sound. I have added this word in it, but you can also use this without magic E if you are not teaching magic E. In my next video, I'm going to share the magic E concept as well. Okay, you can also use story and action approach for long and short vowel sounds of polyphonics program. For example, you can use sign for breaking the eggs and eggs in the pan. You can use ants on my arm, and you can also use you as in glue. Okay, now let's have a look at this song.
A, E, I, O, A, A, E, I, O, A, A, E, I, O, A are short vowels that we use. A vowel is in every word, every word, every word. A vowel is in every word that we read or write. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U are long vowels that we use. Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. go umbrellas, up, up, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. My ear hurt, I was in pain, A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say? See the donkey in its stall, E-O, is its call. The captain said aye, aye, the captain said aye, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late, the captain said aye, aye. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? I'd like to have a barbecue, you. I'd like to have a barbecue with you and you and you.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone. And if you need more information, you can contact anytime.